Well, g'day and welcome to another episode of Kiwi Car Life. And I realised that on Sunday I didn't really introduce my Z4 too well. I just did a big skid, thrashed it up a hill and then said, yeah, it's a great car and I'm going to have it probably for the next sort of 6 months or so just for a bit of fun. But I really wanted to give you an idea of what it's actually like to drive this car. So I've come out to my favourite road, Paekakariki Hill Road, and we're going to go for a blat. I'll stick some cameras on it and just show you what this car is like to drive.